Bonjour qui bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Les jours de la semaine en français. Days of the week in French. So, in this video lesson, we will discuss days of the week in French language. So, without any further ado, let's get started. How would you say Monday in French? Lundi, Tuesday, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, Thursday, jeudi, Friday, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, Sunday, dimanche. There is a very little difference between Tuesday and Wednesday, mardi and mercredi. Keep this difference in mind. Let's do one more time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. That's it. Now tell me what day is today by writing in the comment section down below. Hope to see you soon. A bientôt. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more amazing videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning. Bye bye.